Hey everyone, in today's video, we're checking out the OPPO Find X9, a phone that packs all the flagship level specs of the Pro model. But the big question is, can it claim the title of the most powerful standard edition of the year? Let's dive right in and find out. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. If you missed the unboxing, no worries. Let's take a moment to appreciate the gorgeous design of the Find X9. From every angle, it looks sleek, minimal, and premium. The color tone and finish are silky smooth thanks to OPPO's brand new velvet glass process. It feels soft and lightweight in the hand, almost like running your fingers over a piece of fine velvet. Now, let's move on to the camera module. This time, OPPO went with a square-shaped design that blends seamlessly into the back panel. No bulky bump here. The ultra-precise cold carving process ensures that the transition between the camera module and the body feels natural and clean. Flipping to the front, we've got a 6.59-inch flat display with super slim symmetrical bezels measuring just 1.15 millimeters. They're so narrow you'll barely notice them. OPPO has also refined the rounded corners of the screen to perfectly match the frame, creating a visually balanced, concentric look. And it's not just pretty, this screen is seriously impressive. The full screen brightness hits 1800 nits, while peak brightness soars up to 3600 nits. It's also OPPO's new generation eye protection display, featuring 3840Hz high-frequency PWM dimming and the ability to dim all the way down to just 1 nit, perfect for protecting your eyes during late-night use without sacrificing clarity or detail. All right, now for the fun part, the cameras, which are the real highlight of the Find X9. Starting with the main shooter, a 23mm wide lens powered by the Sony Lit-828 sensor, 111.4-inch, with a large f1.6 aperture. Then there's a 73mm periscope telephoto lens using the Sony Lit-600, 1.95-inch with an f2.6 aperture, and rounding it off, a 15mm ultra-wide lens featuring Samsung's JN5 sensor and a bright f2.0 aperture. A new addition this year is the single-shot color restoration lens, powered by OPPO's 4th-generation color accuracy tech. It helps capture natural, lifelike tones, especially when it comes to skin colors in portraits. But that's just the start. The Find X9 series this year puts a huge emphasis on high-resolution photography. With the Lumo Super Pixel Fusion engine, the phone introduces 4K ultra-clear live photos and 8K ultra-clear direct output. You know how live photos often look great in the cover frame but lose detail in motion? OPPO fixes that. The Find X9 upgrades the live photo resolution from 2K to full 4K, ensuring every frame, even during movement, stays crisp and detailed. And since it directly outputs from the sensor in a 4:3 ratio with Pro XDR effects and color restoration, the visuals are not only sharp but also rich in lighting and color. There are also new creative tools for live photos. You can capture 4K live photos while recording videos, perfect for concerts or events, or even shoot 4K slow-motion live photos. You can even stitch 3 live photos together into one seamless 4K image without losing any quality. Now, moving on to 8K ultra-clear photos. Using data from 450 megapixel frames, the Find X9 fuses them into one ultra-high-resolution image, making it 400% sharper than a regular 12 megapixel photo. Even when you zoom in, the fine details of skin texture and tree bark remain crystal clear. This mode truly shines when using Hasselblad's Ultra Clear mode, though the system automatically decides when to use 50 megapixel or 8K output based on lighting and scene conditions. And for those who love creative photography, there are plenty of new portrait styles. You'll find cold flash and warm flash modes with a new zoom flash system, which helps recreate that classic CCD flash look. OPPO also added the CineStill 800T film simulation, giving photos a neon film aesthetic with balanced contrast and vivid saturation. In master mode, you'll get photos with minimal sharpening and processing, much closer to the raw organic texture of Hasselblad cameras. And yes, OPPO didn't hold back this time. Even the standard Find X9 gets JPG Max and RAW Max formats, offering pro-level control over your shots. Finally, let's talk about Hasselblad's X-Plan mode, a true nod to the classic X-Plan cameras. The interface design, the shutter animation, and even the film development sequence all add a beautiful, nostalgic touch. And the photos? Simply stunning. The wide format shots tell a story of their own, filled with emotion and cinematic character. All right, now that we've covered the camera, let's move on to performance and software, because this is where things get really interesting. The OPPO Find X9 is powered by MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9500 flagship processor, paired with OPPO's self-developed next-gen Chaoxin engine. This combo is designed for one thing: sustained full-frame performance, even during long gaming sessions. To put that to the test, we played Honor of Kings for a full hour at max graphics. The result? An average frame rate of 120.9 FPS while drawing only 3.09 watts of power. That's a massive improvement compared to last year's 4 average, showing just how efficient this phone really is. This level of stability and power efficiency is what helps the Find X9 maintain that buttery smooth, consistent gameplay. Of course, you can't have great gaming without a big, reliable battery. And somehow, OPPO managed to fit a 7,025 mAh GSR battery inside this super slim 7.99mm body. After 5 hours of non-stop gaming, there was still 45% battery left. Seriously impressive endurance for such a thin device. Now let's talk about the software, the new ColorOS 16. This version focuses on smoothness and natural motion across every interaction, whether you're unlocking the phone, scrolling through the home screen, switching apps, or using global search. Every transition feels seamless and fluid. The animations follow the visual design idea of where you come from, where you go, making everything flow naturally and look well organized. OPPO's smart assistant Xiaobu also gets a big upgrade with 2 super handy features. The first is long video summary. Just tap once and it generates a quick outline of the video with timestamps so you can jump straight to the important parts. We even compared it with Station B's built-in AI summary, and Xiaobu's version felt more accurate and meaningful. The second new feature is the one-click meal pickup code. When you activate the flash button on the meal pickup screen, it turns into a floating cloud that stays visible, and each brand even gets its own custom animation for drinks and food. It's small details like this that make the experience feel polished and fun. Design-wise, ColorOS 16 adopts a light-field texture aesthetic. The lock screen, password interface, and app icons all feature realistic light and shadow effects that look more refined and natural. And since we've taken so many dynamic photos earlier, it's great to see that ColorOS 16 now supports live dynamic scene lock screens, making your wallpaper's main subject pop beautifully. Another cool part is cross-device connectivity. OPPO's Ouga Interconnection App now bridges OPPO and Apple devices. So if you're using both an iPhone and the Find X9, you can actually answer iPhone calls directly on the Find X9, and even access features like spam blocking, partial answering, and AI call summaries. No SIM swapping, no hassle. A real treat for dual device users. So, to wrap it all up, as the strongest standard version of the year, the OPPO Find X9 delivers top-notch design, flagship-level camera performance, outstanding efficiency, and a smooth, intelligent software experience. It truly blurs the line between standard and pro models. And speaking of which, if the regular Find X9 is this powerful, just imagine what the Find X9 Pro will bring. Stay tuned for that video coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe and join our tech community so you won't miss it. Finally, a quick note on pricing. The base variant of the OPPO Find X9 starts at 4,399 yuan in China, which is around 460 euros in the UK and about $620 in the US. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.